Hey guys! How you all doing? Today, I'm going to show you how to download the new OBS Studio version 27.0. I found out there are some good features which we all were waiting for. Check the link given in description. Once you get on this page, scroll down and you will find the download options. You can download the X file or the zip file, whichever you want. I'm downloading the X file. Once it get downloaded, open the OBS Studio. Install the OBS Studio by running the installer. I will turn off the recording, as while recording, I can't install the OBS Studio. So here it is. It looks exactly the same, but there are new features in the menu bar above. The most important feature I liked is the undo option. You can now undo the scene if you delete it by mistake. Go to the edit option and click on undo or Ctrl-Z to bring back the deleted scene. I hope so you guys like the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.